Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today I will discuss about the bipartite graph. What is bipartite graph? We will discuss this term, bipartite graph. The graph is a data structure that is used to represent relationships between two objects. This is the relationships between two objects we have to discuss here. Two objects, and that is a objects or persons between objects or persons or any between two edges. We have to connect here. For example, it is used for showing routes between two cities. This is two cities, between two cities. Social networking websites. There are different types of graphs, out of which one type is known as the bipartite graph. The one of them you will discuss the bipartite graph. That is connection between two states or two different cities or objects and persons. For these conditions, the bipartite graph with some examples will also see the algorithms for checking the graph. What is bipartite graph? First of all, we will discuss what is bipartite graph. A bipartite graph is a type of graph in which we can partition the whole graph into two bipartite sets, such that edges connected vertices present in one set, two vertices in another set. So that is connection between two sets. And our edges connection between these sets to these sets to these sets. A bipartite graph does not have any edges which connects the vertex of one set to other vertex present in the same set. Because this graph does not connect into this graph. This graph vertex is connected to this graph the vertex. That is two sets we have specially chosen. And that does not happen for same sets. For this case, same set, that is not possible. A bipartite graph does not have any edge which connects the vertex of one set to the vertex present in the same set. So this will be more clear with the following examples. Just a look out forward for the one example we have just represented. See, the above graph can be partitions. That is the light blue and this is the deep blue. Just you can see. This is a deep blue and this is light blue. This is deep blue and this is light blue, and connected these vertices. We can such dividing the set A and set B. Set A, just consider here deep, and set B is considered as the light blue. This is dark blue. We have considered set A, and set B is considered as the light blue. This is the light blue. We have check here. So one is set considered the dark blue, and another one is considered as the light blue. Just to check, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. Both sets, A sets having that is also 4, and B sets also having 4, right? So we just connect the sets. So this is the point. This vertex connecting to three other vertices, right? Just connected this one edge, and this is the another edge, and this is the another edge, like that. This is also connected three vertices. Dark. This dark is connected to light blue. This dark light blue. This is light blue. This is also connected same thing. And this dark is connected to this two. This is also two. So this is the process of connection in the two separate graphs. Here note that each color node is connected to different color nodes. The bipartite graph is also known as the colorable graphs. No two consecutive nodes in a bipartite graph are colored the same. Consecutive node cannot be same color. This graph, this color and this consecutive color is this one and this one. Just you see this consecutive, this one and this one are not same in color. This one not same, this one not same. Again, you can see this color and this color is different. This color is different. Again, this one consecutive different. This consecutive is different. This consecutive is different. This consecutive is different. So consecutive two nodes or two vertices should be different. That is called as the bipartite graph. Again, some properties of bipartite graphs here consider. The properties of bipartite graphs are given below. In brief, knowing these will assist you further in learning the topic well. The vertices present in one set are not connected to vertex present in the same set. Same set does not, this vertex does not connected to these vertices. That is one property. Again, a bipartite graph is a simple graph, which means that there are no self-flow. This is suppose one vertices V1 and there is a self-flow. That self-flow does not contain here. Multiple edges between the same pair of vertices. No self-flow or multiple edges between the same pair of vertices. Same pair of vertices, there is no multiple edges. Okay. It may or may not be connected. For a graph to be bipartite, it should not contain any cycle or odd length. So just we again another example we have to discuss here. Some examples we conclusion here to discuss. Bipartite graph. Let us consider a simple example here given a bipartite graph which contains the four vertices as shown in this figure A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Four vertices. In this graph, the vertices can be divided into two disjoint sets, right? AC and BD. AC and BD are two disjoint sets, such that every edge connects a vertex in one set to a vertex in the other set. Therefore, graph is a bipartite. AC, BD, SC, BD. Just remember such that every edge connects a vertex in one set to a vertex in other set. Therefore, this graph is bipartite graph. So that this vertex is connected to this vertex, this. So this vertex is connected every vertex, and AC and BD are the mutually exclusive. They do not contain. Both are the two disjoint sets. That's why this graph is called as the bipartite graph. Another example. Here mention one figure. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F. Just look out. Just you consider B, D, F. B, D, F is one vertices, right? B, D, F, one vertices. A, C, E. A, C, E. Another vertices. Just compare here. ACE and BDF. Two sets we consider. This is one set and this is another set. Two vertices we have to choose here. Every edge connects a vertex in one set to a vertex of other set. Every set is connected. Every edge is connected here. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, E, F, A, F. Every vertex is connected here. Every edge is connected here. Every vertex is connected here. This graph conforms to all conditions of a bipartite graph is satisfied here. This graph conforms to all the conditions of a bipartite graph. Therefore, this graph is also a bipartite graph, right? There is no any common between B and D, right? Same set does not connect to yourself. BD or BF or FD, there is no connected. This is the disjoint. Connection should be disjoint. So this is a bipartite of this S1 and S2, but BA is connected. AB is connected, right? BC is connected, right? AB is connected. BC is connected. CD is connected. DE or ED is connected. So one set, this is another set, right? Therefore, a graph is called as the bipartite graph. Another example we can see here. In this figure, so A, B, C, D, A, B, C, A, B, D, E, C. These are the 5 vertices there. When we continues the odd vertices of this figure, first you check A, B, and C. This is a one set we have to consider, right? Another BE, because odd number of vertices, the another set is contained here, B and E. So that these two sets cannot be say the bipartite because the sets A is 3 vertices and this is 2 vertices. So we cannot consider this is a bipartite graph. So left it, this graph is not bipartite. So some steps, some algorithms of the bipartite graph we can just discuss here. Start picking an arbitrary vertex as the starting point and mark it as a visited and add it to a cube. Just to consider starting vertexes. Starting vertex we consider a starting point, and this vertex is mark it as visited and add it a cube. Just you can add this cube, right? Second step, assign a color to a starting vertex. You can just color the starting vertex. When we color this starting vertex, right? Assign to a color of the starting vertex. Then that is red in color. While a queue is not empty, take the first vertex from the queue and look at its neighbors. Just you can look at its neighbors. This is the another vertex, and this is also another vertex of its neighbor. Just choose. And this vertex does not same as the same color of this vertex. This is the another color of vertex, right? And this is also another color. These two colors of this vertex are consecutive, and the color is different. That is the mutually exclusive, or this is the while Q is not empty. Take the first vertex from the Q and is at its neighbor. Is it out? So if the neighbor has not been visited, mark it visited or add it to the queue assigned to the opposite color just of its parent's vertex. So just you can mark it, the first vertex is red, then blue, then after that then again red. So different colors, two colors you can choose this one. But consecutive two colors are not same. If the neighbor has been visited as the same color as the parent's vertex, then the graph is not bipartite. If the consecutive colors should be same color, then that we can say that that is not a bipartite graph, right? So one question here given, let us consider a bipartite graph. Understand the concept of the bipartite graph of 6 vertices, namely A, B, C, D, E, F. Just here given figure, this is A, B, C, D. Let us run the algorithm specific above length is given here. Let us choose a vertex. Here we have chosen A as a vertex and mark it as red. Red color is marked here. The graph will look like this. So this is the graph, and we can choose the A as a starting point. So starting point color is choose as the red color. So starting vertex we can choose as the red color. Again, next step we found the consecutive two nodes. Choose here, and that is colored by blue in color. So this is blue in color and this is blue in color because B and D are the two consecutive of this vertex A. Step 3, again select the neighbors of the current nodes B and D. So neighbors of B again choose करेंगे just this vertex the neighbors and this vertex. The neighbors of the vertex B is equal to C and E. Just you can see. They just you color the red color that way. And neighbors of D is equal to F. So just color this color, and this is the required figure of this graph. And this graph is called as the bipartite graphs. Two consecutive graphs does not be same. This red and blue, red and blue, red and blue, blue and red, right? Red and blue. So this graph is called as the bipartite graph. So we can define your set C, E, F. So the algorithm will now search the unvisited neighbors of the current nodes C, E, F. Since there are no unvisited neighbors, the algorithm will stop and return to true as the answer. The above graph is bipartite graph. We can see that no two consecutive nodes are colored with the same color. Application of the bipartite, but this is the actually have defined connected here. So this is called as the bipartite graphs also. Okay, the application is various applications are there for the bipartite graphs, and we have to contain also. Okay, thank you very much.